Hello my lovelies, how are you guys doing today? Welcome back to Happy Wife, Happy Life. My name is Shelly, and in today's video, you guys, I want to show you a couple different ways to style a coffee table. Now, if you're new to my channel, I just want to say hello and welcome, and to make sure you subscribe below so that you can continue to see all of my videos that I upload, you guys. And just very briefly, I want to let you know that my style is very glam, it's very neutral. I've had this style for about 5 years now and I still enjoy it. And you guys, I have some beautiful pumpkins to work with this year, along with my other pumpkins from previous years. And if you guys haven't seen that video where I share all of my fall decor, I'll go ahead and make sure to link that below so you don't miss out on it, okay? So I'm gonna be using some of the items that I already have that I use all year long and just add those little touches of fall and make it my own style of fall glam, you guys. So let's get started. I'm so excited. So I hope you guys like the video on different ways to style your coffee table. Let me know which one is your favorite, and I'll go ahead and reveal the design that I chose for the fall home tour. You guys, I'm so excited to continue to decorate my home. So please make sure that you are subscribed down below. Hit that notification bell so that you are notified when I keep uploading all of these wonderful, wonderful fall videos. And if you guys have any suggestions, go ahead and leave that in the comment below too. I always love to hear your feedback on things that I work with, you guys. You know, we can always learn. So that being said, thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.